Hello everyone and welcome back to Kitchen Instruments. Now, today we actually have to have a little bit of a heart-to-heart because there's something that's been on my mind for a long time, and it's actually an epidemic that's sweeping the nation right now, and it's been happening for years and nobody ever talks about it. And of course I'm talking about people who still call hot dogs wieners. Look, I understand back in 1974 that was the thing to do. Wiener Schnitzel, Oscar Mayer wiener dogs. They're adorable, they're cute, everything's funny, everything's great. But you know what? It's 45 years ago. Alright, so since then we've had so many technological advances. We've had stuff like the internet, cell phones, self-driving cars, reality TV. Alright, so listen, I'm going to level with you. Not all of them are winners, but you get the point. The point is that people have been calling hot dogs wieners for far too long. Listen, and I'm not picking on you guys that only call hot dogs wieners to get a cheap laugh. By all means, keep doing that. It's hilarious. I'm talking to the people, and you know who you are. I'm talking to those people who legitimately go up to somebody and says stuff like, "Hey, can you give me one of them wieners? Can you cook me a wiener? Hey, I'll take one of them wieners." You know the ones. Look, all I'm saying is we've done so many great things in this country. We've ended wars, we've cured diseases, we've helped the sick, we've helped the needy. Can't we just stop calling hot dogs wieners? I mean, it's not that tough. It's just a bit of a paradigm shift, Just got to be aware you're doing it. And don't get me wrong, too. I don't think that the people who call hot dogs wieners are bad people. I don't. Just think they make poor decisions. All right, look, that's the end of my rant. I just need to talk about it because you know what? Nobody's talking about this, and I know everybody's thinking it. I mean, there's nobody that walks up to you and says, "Hey, can you give me one of them wieners?" And you don't think in the back of your mind, like, what the f*** is this guy talking about? Anyway, if we don't talk about it, it's not going to end. And it really needs to end. Just put the fork in it, people. I'm not talking about the wiener. And as always, everyone, thank you for stopping by. And if you enjoyed this episode, please feel free to stay tuned for the next one where I'm sure I'm going to be making something pretty freaking epic. So I will talk to you then. And as always, have a happy holiday. See you later.